Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the baby face TikTok trend edit on CapCut. So select new project and select the picture you want. Select add, and then you are going to select the picture. So you have to select the clip. Then you are going to go to style and you are going to scroll to the very right. And then as you can see, there is a baby face. Select it and wait for it to generate. And that is basically it. You can add in like a before and after picture if you want, but this is just a way to change like the picture. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!